Introduce highlight features or overview summary of LARBANKE 2.5 tons floor jack, with portable carrying handle and reflective strip. There are features include: the LARBANKE 2.5 tons floor jack adopts a high-efficiency single-pump piston structure to achieve fast and effortless lifting operation. The LARBANKE floor jack's main body is made of high-strength thickened carbon steel, sturdy and wear-resistant, with a maximum load capacity of 2.5 tons or 5,500 pounds. Combined with the carefully optimized hydraulic system and robust structural design, the floor jack ensures a smooth and reliable lifting process with excellent safety performance. The LARBANKE 2.5 tons floor jack is equipped with a high-performance, single-piston hydraulic system that provides fast, smooth, and energy-efficient operation. With a lifting range of 3.35 to 15.16 inches, the LARBANKE floor jack not only handles precise positioning for low-clearance vehicles with ease but also fully meets the maintenance needs of cars and other models. This versatility ensures comprehensive coverage for all your operational scenarios. The LARBANKE 2.5 tons floor jack combines two fixed steel wheels with two 360-degree swivel casters for smooth movement and flexible steering, allowing easy positioning in various working scenarios. With the floor jack's portable handle and detachable extension bar, this dual configuration significantly improves convenience and work efficiency in automotive maintenance, whether for short-distance precision adjustments or long-distance transport. The LARBANKE 2.5 tons floor jack features bright reflective warning strips on both sides that provide clear visibility even at night or in dimly lit environments like garages, significantly enhancing equipment recognition. This thoughtful design not only helps prevent operational hazards but also ensures efficient and accurate lifting performance under challenging lighting conditions, making nighttime maintenance safer. The LARBANKE 2.5 tons floor jack features an intelligent overload protection system. When pressure exceeds the rated range, the safety valve opens automatically to prevent equipment damage and operational risks. Combined with a wide non-slip support seat, it ensures that the LARBANKE floor jack maintains stable vehicle lifting throughout the process, providing dual protection for both your car and the operator. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.